Welcome back to AI Topia, where we dive into the fascinating world of AI and explore the endless possibilities it offers. Today we'll be unlocking the full potential of your conversations with ChatGPT by introducing you to a set of prompts that will take your interactions to a whole new level. Get ready to harness the power of AI like never before. Imagine a world where you can step into the shoes of your favorite characters, create captivating advertising campaigns, weave mesmerizing tales, deliver insightful football commentary, crack jokes that leave your audiences in splits, inspire and motivate others, compose beautiful music, engage in thought-provoking debates, coach talented debaters, and even script your very own cinematic masterpiece. All of this and more can be achieved with the right prompts. Our first prompt is like a key that opens the door to the realm of imagination, where you can bring your favorite characters to life. Close your eyes and picture yourself as the hero or heroine of a beloved movie, book, or any other source of inspiration. Whether you're envisioning the courage of Harry Potter from the magical world of Hogwarts, or channeling the dark power of Darth Vader from the epic Star Wars saga, it's time to step into their shoes. For this type of fun conversation, be sure to use this prompt. I want you to act like character from series. I want you to respond like character using the tone, manner, and vocabulary character would use. Do not write any explanations, only answer like character. You must know all of the knowledge of character. My first sentence is, hi, character. From that moment on, let your character's voice guide your responses, and let the magic unfold in the conversation that follows. Get ready to witness the power of imagination as your beloved character comes alive in the virtual realm. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination itself. Now get ready to enter the dynamic and exhilarating world of advertising. Our next prompt invites you to step into the role of an advertiser, where you have the power to create compelling campaigns that captivate audiences and promote a product or service of your choice. It's time to unleash your creativity and strategic thinking to make a lasting impact. Or use this prompt and let ChatGPT do everything for you. Use this prompt. I want you to act as an advertiser. You will create a campaign to promote a product or service of your choice. You will choose a target audience, develop key messages and slogans, select the media channels for promotion, and decide on any additional activities needed to reach your goals. My first suggestion request is I need help creating an advertising campaign for a new type of energy drink targeting young adults aged 18 to 30. But don't stop there. Brainstorm additional activities that can enhance your campaign and create buzz. Think about engaging influencers, organizing events, or launching interactive online experiences. Let your imagination run wild as you explore innovative ways to capture the attention and enthusiasm of your audience. Prepare to embark on a journey where the limits of imagination fade away and captivating tales come to life. Our next prompt invites you to become a master storyteller, enchanting your audience with narratives that ignite their curiosity and leave them yearning for more. Get ready to wield the power of words and transport your listeners to extraordinary realms. For that kind of task, use this. I want you to act as a storyteller. You will come up with entertaining stories that are engaging, imaginative, and captivating for the audience. It can be fairy tales, educational stories, or any other type of stories which has the potential to capture people's attention and imagination. Depending on the target audience, you may choose specific themes or topics for your storytelling session. E.g., if it's children, then you can talk about animals. If it's adults, then history-based tales might engage them better. My first request is, I need an interesting story on perseverance. From that moment on, let your creative spirit guide you as you mold an enchanting narrative that captivates hearts and minds. Whether your story unfolds in a magical kingdom, a distant time, or a familiar setting, weave a tapestry of wonder and inspiration. Now prepare for some laughter and comedic brilliance as we dive into the world of stand-up comedy. As a stand-up comedian, your task is to create humorous routines based on various topics, showcasing your wit, creativity, and observational skills. Incorporate personal anecdotes and experiences to make your routine more relatable and engaging. ChatGPT might not be the funniest comedian out there, but you still might find some hidden gems within. To turn your chatbot into a decent comedian, use this prompt. I want you to act as a stand-up comedian. I will provide you with some topics related to current events, and you will use your wit, creativity, and observational skills to create a routine based on those topics. You should also be sure to incorporate personal anecdotes or experiences into the routine. in order to make it more relatable and engaging for the audience. My first request is, I want a humorous take on politics. Are you ready to inspire and uplift as we explore the realm of motivational coaching? As a motivational coach, your mission is to help individuals achieve their goals by providing strategies, positive affirmations, helpful advice, and suggesting activities to foster growth and success. Your words of wisdom and guidance will empower others to overcome challenges and unlock their full potential. And who better to help you with this than ChatGPT? To start your motivational speaker journey, use this prompt. I want you to act as a motivational coach. I will provide you with some information about someone's goals and challenges, and it will be your job to come up with strategies that can help this person achieve their goals. This could involve providing positive affirmations, giving helpful advice, or suggesting activities they can do to reach their end goal. My first request is, I need help motivating myself to stay disciplined while studying for an upcoming exam. Aside from just using GPT, you have to remember that as a motivational coach, you are a beacon of inspiration and support. Your role is to listen attentively, empathize with others' challenges, and provide guidance that is tailored to their unique circumstances. Create a safe and non-judgmental space where individuals can share their aspirations, fears, and doubts, knowing that you are there to guide and uplift them. It's time to unleash your musical creativity as we delve into the world of composition. As a composer, you have the power to bring words to life through captivating melodies and harmonies, utilizing various instruments and tools, such as synthesizers or samplers, to create a musical masterpiece that complements the lyrics and evokes emotions in the listeners. But if you don't have much musical talent, ChatGPT is here for you. To enter the world of musical composing with AI, be sure to use this prompt. I want you to act as a composer. I will provide the lyrics to a song and you will create music for it. This could include using various instruments or tools such as synthesizers or samplers, in order to create melodies and harmonies that bring the lyrics to life. My first request is, I have written a poem named something something. I need music to go with it. Throughout your composition journey, be open to exploration and experimentation. Embrace serendipitous discoveries that unfold during the creative process. Sometimes the most magical moments arise from unexpected places. Trust your instincts and let your musical prowess shine, unearthing melodies and harmonies that resonate deeply within both yourself and your audience. So, are you ready to unleash your musical creativity? Today we unveiled an array of prompts that will revolutionize your conversations with ChatGPT. From stepping into the shoes of beloved characters to crafting powerful advertising campaigns, telling enchanting stories, providing expert football commentary, delivering hilarious stand-up routines, motivating and inspiring others, composing captivating music, engaging in thought-provoking debates, coaching talented debaters, and scripting your very own cinematic masterpiece. These prompts offer endless possibilities. Remember, with ChatGPT, your conversations become extraordinary journeys limited only by your imagination. If you're interested in more things that you can do with ChatGPT, then don't miss out on our next video, where we show you how you can learn Python with just the help of our favorite chatbot. Thank you for joining us on this mind-bending adventure through the world of AI prompts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Topia for more exciting content that pushes the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep unleashing the full potential of ChatGPT.